Camera drones are now being used by both amateur and professional photographers as they can reach to areas and angles that regular cameras just cannot. Drone cameras have evolved so much in the last 10 years. Now you can get camera drones that can take footages at 8K resolution while offering pretty nifty tricks to take amazing cinematic shots. As a content creator and a traveler, I'm often required to take shots of landscapes and objects from the above.
If you're like me and thinking of buying a new camera drone in 2020, this is the video for you. I'll tell you which are the top 5 best camera drones out there available in the market before you go check out and buy. Hey guys, I'm Chaser and you're watching Tech Square.
The HUBSAN Zino 2 is an affordable camera drone with amazing technology and great functionality with a more reasonable price tag. The camera drone can be a great alternative to its more expensive competitors while boasting powerful specs. The HUBSAN Zino 2 has foldable arms and it's compact enough to easily fit into any backpack. The drone is equipped with a Sony 1x2.3-inch sensor that can capture 12 megapixels, still picture, and 4K footages at 60 frames per second at a bitrate of 100 Mbps. While the onboard Ambarella H22 image chip allows the Zino 2 to capture great nighttime footage. You can also shoot at 120 frames per second in Full HD. The camera sits on a 3-axis gimbal that allows you to get whatever angle you like. With a detachable 3800 mAh battery, the HUBSAN Zino 2 is capable of flying for up to 33 minutes with an image transmission range of up to 8 kilometers. The drone has a top speed of 72 kilometers per hour, making it really fast and fun to fly. The Zino 2 comes with an upgraded remote controller with an integrated LCD monitor and built-in retractable phone holder, allowing you to live preview your drone's footage from your phone. You can control the drone with the joysticks on the controller, and if you find it flying difficult, there is assist modes to help you keep the drone stable and upright to help you get buttery smooth footage. The HUBSAN Zino 2 drone is made out of high-quality polycarbonate, ensuring durability while weighing just about 929 grams with the propeller and the battery. If you're looking for an affordable drone that is capable of giving incredible value, then the HUBSAN Zino 2 camera drone is a great choice for you that you can get from online. DJI is the most popular name when it comes to consumer and prosumer drones, with a wide range of drone options available that can cater to a wide range of users. The DJI Mavic Mini is a compact drone that is almost as lightweight as the average smartphone and can go with you anywhere without having to suffer any problem with the airport security. This compact camera drone features 1x2.3-inch CMOS sensor that can take 12 megapixel stills, record at 2.7K resolution at 30 frames per second, and Full HD resolution at 60 frames per second. The drone has a sports mode for more high-speed flight and Cine Smooth mode for a smoother shot and more cinematic footages. The Mavic Mini features a 3-axis camera technology that offers super stable, smooth footage even with its tiny and lightweight body. With its 2400 mAh battery, the Mavic Mini is capable of up to 30 minutes and covers a distance of up to 2.5 miles. The drone doesn't have any obstacle avoidance sensors on its front, back or sides. However, there are a few sensors at the base to enable smooth landings. The Mavic Mini comes with a remote controller that connects with a smartphone via the DJI Fly app. Mavic Mini's maximum video transmission distance is up to 4 kilometers using enhanced Wi-Fi. The footage captured with DJI Mavic Mini looks punchy enough with a good amount of details, good lighting, and high dynamic range. The DJI Mavic Mini is in a league of its own with a compact light body with robust flying experience and decent quality footage. If you're in the market for such a lightweight camera drone and don't care much about 4K or 8K resolution, then the Mavic Mini could be a great option for you. If you're not that good at flying drones, or you're an adrenaline junkie who wants to create amazing drone footage of your own without needing the help of somebody else, then the SkyDo 2 drone is the perfect choice for you. The SkyDo 2 has a self-flying system that uses AI to duck and swoop around obstacles, following your every move while keeping you in the frame. The drone features Sony's IMX577 12.3 megapixel CMOS sensor and Qualcomm Red Dragon QC605 SoC, which is capable of recording 4K videos at 60 frames per second with HDR. With 3.5 kilometers of wireless range, the SkyDo 2 can fly for about 23 minutes with its 4280 mAh battery pack. The drone can fly up to 36 miles per hour while tracking objects effectively. Every aspect of flying the SkyDo 2 drone is really fun, useful, and less stressful for experienced drone pilots using the remote controller. While using the SkyDo beacon and SkyDo autonomy engine, the SkyDo 2 drone offers the most advanced flying technology using its 6 4K cameras, as it sees in every direction more clearly with more details. This allows the drone to fly smoothly around obstacles while capturing amazing videos and photos. The all-new SkyDo app delivers the easiest and most intuitive flight experience and allows you to download photos and save video clips straight to your phone for instant sharing. SkyDo 2 offers a variety of shooting options while taking amazing quality footages, pictures, and best autonomous tracking, making it one of the best camera drones out there in the market. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro is DJI's most impressive consumer-level drone that offers best all-rounder performance when it comes to flying drones and aerial photography. The drone is equipped with a 1-inch 20-megapixel CMOS sensor capable of shooting excellent RAW stills and 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The Mavic 2 Pro features a 3850 mAh battery pack that allows the drone to fly for up to 31 minutes with a maximum speed of up to 45 miles per hour. Flying the DJI Mavic 2 Pro is really simple, thanks to its GPS, which holds the drone in position and stops it from getting blown out of position by wind, and its omnidirectional obstacle sensing helps you to avoid crashing and collision with other flying objects and trees. The controller of the DJI Mavic 2 Pro is compact and foldable, while the bottom of the controller opens up to provide a phone holder that can accommodate even the largest smartphones. While operating the drone, you won't require to use the app, as the controller offers 11 direct access controls that allows you quickly access to most commonly used functions. However, the DJI Go 4 app provides a similar layout and functionality to a compact camera that most photographers will appreciate. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro is a highly portable drone that can be easily carried alongside other photographic equipment and is currently one of the best options available on the market for professional level aerial photography and cinematography. Autel Robotics is another Chinese drone manufacturing company that makes amazing camera drones, and Otel Eva 2 is the latest offering from the company that is expected to hit the market sometime in March 2020. The Eva 2 is currently the only portable and folding 8K camera drone with up to 4 times lossless in-camera zoom, capable of recording footages at up to 20 frames per second, while in the 4K resolution, the camera drone is capable of shooting at up to 60 frames per second. The footages shot with Otel Eva 2 is crisp and clean with even more details and great dynamic range. The drone offers 3 self-interchangeable camera gimbals that offers a wide range of usage options and a great option to enthusiasts and professionals and in any emergency situation. Eva 2 features 12 computer vision sensors that provides omnidirectional protection with the help of a dual-core processor and AI machine learning to avoid obstacles and collisions by detecting potential hazards from up to 30 meters away. The Autel Eva 2 drone is equipped with a massive 7100 mAh battery pack that allows the drone to fly for up to 40 minutes while covering an extended range of up to 9 kilometers. The Autel Eva 2 is gonna hit the market pretty soon, despite the production got stalled for a bit due to coronavirus. From the spec sheet, this drone is the ultimate camera drone for professional level aerial photographers and cinematographers. If you're in the market right now for a drone, then I suggest you wait for a few more weeks for Autel Eva 2 drones to be available on the market. So that's it with our video today. If you like this video, then hit the like and share with your friends. Comment down below to let us know your thoughts if you have been using any of these drones or planning to buy one. Consider subscribing to this channel for more amazing technologies and devices like this. Press the bell icon to get notified when our next video drops.